In this video, the Bitcoin price is now forming this new and massive opportunity for the whole crypto market. But the question is, what are the levels that we should now be watching out for? And guys, look at this. Ethereum played our technical analysis exactly as predicted, and we want to answer what is next for the Ethereum price action. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, I think let's go first with our quick recap sa ating mga previous analysis. So, di ba, previously, Bitcoin became oversold. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, you should be buying off the dip kasi look at this, RSI is below the 30 threshold indicating na that is a good buying opportunity. So, if let's say you want $2 cost average, yung mga dollar cost average areas are actually whenever Bitcoin is going down to the 30 threshold, ayan no, yung mga buying opportunities na yan, that would be one of the good time or best time to buy Bitcoin. So let's say you're going to dollar cost average, you could actually dollar cost earlier nung 59K as well as kagabi nung 55.8K, yun yung mga best entry opportunity. And guys, take note that those opportunities are more on spot wallet talaga kasi as you can see, wala pa tayong signs of any bullish trend reversal. However, ito mga RSI na nagsasabi na nag-below 30 threshold, it indicates or tells us kung kailan pa tayo maganda mag-buy. And those were the buying opportunities na pwede mo i-take into consideration kahit let's say mataas ito ng konti. Pero at least that was still a good buying opportunity. And yeah, as of now, ano ba yung aabangan natin na next movement dito? So, as you can see, there's still no bullish trend reversal indicators yet dito for the 4-hour time frame. So, as of now, wala pa tayong bullish trend reversal signal. And ang in-expect kasi natin dapat, if mag-decline to, dapat umakit yung RSI natin in order for us to say na we are going to see a bullish divergence. However, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng increasing RSI, indicating na we did not have that specific bullish trend reversal signal yet. So as of now, what we are going to do is we are still going to monitor this movement. Now you could see na this is still a broadening wedge. So you can see that this is a broadening wedge which could still play out within this area. Pero if in that case, then yeah, I think you just have to monitor that. You could say na that's the movement. Pero if you're going to look at this in the bigger time frame, especially in the daily, I think we are now starting to form a specific support. Because you look at this, we have this support and then another support. The question is, what will be our next resistance? So right now, what we need to monitor is kung saan tayo magkakaroon na resistance. Either we could follow this movement. In that case, possible na magkaroon na resistance at dyan. But yeah, I think mas maganda na abangan natin siya kung saan talaga magkakaroon na resistance. Kasi possible na let's say, ganyan yung mangyari. In that case, nagkaroon tayo ng resistance na mas lower and then mas lumiit. In that case, that would be a much smaller pattern. But in that case, this new opportunity is actually better kasi in this case, we all know na a falling wedge is a bullish trend reversal pattern. So, pero yun nga, if nag-form siya ng falling wedge, then our target would be the top of the wedge, which is ayan, then that would be a very swing tradable opportunity. So yeah, yun yung ating abangan ngayon if we are going to form this falling wedge or saan ba tayo magkakaroon na resistance. Either are we going to get a falling channel, are we going to get a falling wedge, or ano ba yung magiging next movement natin? We have to watch out for the next resistance first. So right now, I would not touch any opportunity pa ngayon. I would not touch any of my positions yet, not unless mag-form tayo ng panibagong resistance. And yeah, kailangan natin mag-form ng bagong indicators kasi as of now, the RSI is not yet indicating any bullish trend reversal signals yet. So right now, we have to watch out for kung ano yung magiging next resistance natin with the Bitcoin price as well as kung ano yung magiging next indicator natin in the RSI, both in the 4-hour time frame as well as in the daily. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, the best place is actually to trade it with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura yung ating Bitcoin trading fees. And as usual, sign up link are in the description down below for bonuses dito sa ating trading platform. And with that being said, let's dive into the Bitcoin dominance as we want to understand what is next for the crypto market. So right now, we are currently declining, diba? Nagkaroon tayo ng decline and look at that, it played out exactly. But the question is, what's next for the crypto market? So right now, we are actually now holding this strong support. So what must now happen is, if this breaks, then we are going to see a massive altcoin season. So that is also a big opportunity. Now, in order for us to continue that move, we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down below this area in order for us to say na we are going to see a confirmed altcoin season. Pero right now, if magkaroon tayo ng bounce, So, if magkaroon to ng bounce, then this would be a Bitcoin season. And that would mean na hindi magpa-perform better yung mga altcoins natin if nag-bounce to. So, right now, what must happen is this should decline in order for altcoins to perform better. So, I think this is a decision time na it's actually pretty imminent kasi doon na tayo sa support. It's either na we are going to get a bounce or we are going to get rejected. And yeah, if mag-consolidate to further dito, then yeah, that's a good thing kasi it would mean na it's a very swing tradable opportunity yung buong altcoin market versus the Bitcoin market. But right now, we want this to decline in order for altcoins to perform better. And with that being said, let's give you a quick update dito kay Ethereum kasi 'di ba sa previous update natin kay Ethereum, nakita tayo ng bullish divergence. As you can see, declining price, increasing RSI, that is a signal for a bullish trend reversals. And look at that, it played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, what's next dito? And 'di ba lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi, ang usual target ito is actually the 50 MA. So, it's possible na mag-consolidate na tayo dito and it's actually for us to catch up with the 50 MA. So, yun yung ating i-monitor if saan tayo pupunta doon. But I think maganda tingnan dito si hourly time frame. As you can see, nag-overbought tayo for the very short term, nag-above 70 threshold tayo. But we are still not having yet any bearish indicators yet or any bearish trend reversals indicator. Pero ang possible na mangyari dyan if let's say umakit pa to lalo at hindi na umakit yung RSI niya at nag-decline na siya, that would mean na possible na magkakaroon tayo ng bearish trend reversal. So right now, yun yung ating i-monitor if we are going to see an increasing price with a declining RSI, that would mean na we are going to see a bearish trend reversal kay Ethereum. Pero right now, since wala pang indicator na nag-form, huddle muna tayo and yeah, always take partial profits along the way if you are just trading in for the short term. Pero looking at this in the bigger time frame, especially kay daily, you can see na Ethereum is still healthy, especially na we are just holding support sa ating 50-day moving average. So right now, I think sobrang healthy pa din right now ni Ethereum. It's just a matter of pullback lang talaga. And as you can see, we are holding a strong support dito sa 4,000 US dollars. Let's extend this. You can see na meron tayong strong support at that area. Kahit buksan mo sa 4-hour time frame, you can see na ayun, no, may strong support tayo dyan sa area na yan. So I think Ethereum is now holding a strong support dyan. And a good buying opportunity would be the 4,000 US dollar area. So if you want to re-enter Ethereum, that would be actually a good re-entry opportunity. And I think yung nag-play out talaga dito is yung rising wedge. You can see na we saw this rising wedge and then nag-decline siya. We did not see any sell volume at first, pero still nag-decline siya. But yeah, we actually had a good buying opportunity dito kay Ethereum. And as usual, always buy the dip following dollar cost average strategy whenever it's falling. And yeah, right now what you should be monitoring is the hourly time frame as well as if we are going to form a bearish divergence or if this is just going to be overbought, then that would mean it's a good take profit opportunity. But right now, follow the RSI closely, both in the hourly, 4-hour, as well as in the daily time frame. So yun muna yung update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.